A farmer left his wife for 21 years to earn money. This story teaches us the value of patience. This story is very good story that's inspire every couple. Now start the story. A poor farmer lived with his wife on the top of the mountains. Their financial condition was bad. They couldn't even afford 2 meals a day. So the farmer decided to leave his home and go to town a better job. Before leaving home, he hugged his wife and said, I don't know how long I will be gone, but I promise you I will always stay loyal to you. Can you do the same for me? The wife cried and replied, Yes, my love, I promise I will wait and stay faithful to you. After 10 days of continuous walking, the farmer reached a small town. He found a good job there and got settled. He asked his boss to keep all his earnings until he returned his home. The boss agreed to him. 21 years later, the man thought his time to go back home. So he asked his boss to give him the money he had earned in those 21 years. The boss replied, You are worked hard to earn the huge amount of money. However, I want to propose an offer. Either you take the money or I will give you 3 bits of advice. Think about what you want and let me know. The farmer, after thinking a lot for a day, decided to go for the 3 advice. His boss smiled and replied, Never take any shortcuts in life, as it might turn out to be risky for your life. Never be over curious because too much curiosity can end you. Never make a decision when you are frustrated or angry because it might make you regret your whole life. The boss then gave him 1 packet of bread and said, I hope you will always keep these 3 bits of advice in mind. Out of 1 packet of bread, the first 2 are for your journey, and the rest 2 you can open at the home. The farmer thanked his boss and started his journey. One day, the first day of his journey, he met a traveler who asked him where he was going. The man replied, I am going back home from work after 21 years. It will take me almost 10 days to reach home. The traveler replied, I will show you a faster way and only takes 1 day to reach your place. The man was about to take the shortcut, but then he remembered the first advice from his boss. He took the long path and thus saved himself from a trap. At night, he reached some village. He asked the head of the village to allow him to stay there for the night. While he was asleep, he heard a loud roar. With curiosity, he was about to open the door to see what happening outside. But then he remembered the second advice and stopped. The next morning, the head told him, Sometimes a tiger comes into our village, so people keep their door locked at night. I am happy you are unharmed. After 10 days of continuous and hectic work, the man finally reached his home. There was light on his window. So, with great joy, He tried to pass from there, but what he saw was quite shocking and made him angry. He saw his wife using another man. He was fuming with angry and wanted to confront and kill both of them. But then he remembered the last advice and decided to stay calm. He then went back and stayed in the hotel nearby. The next morning, when he woke up, his mind was calm, so he decided to go back to his boss and continue job. But before he was leaving, he wanted to meet his wife. He wanted to tell her that he remained faithful all these years. When he knocked on the door, his wife rushed and hugged him tightly. But he pushed her away and said, I just came here to let you that I remained loyal all these years. But you broke our promise. The wife was shocked by the allegation. I didn't break our promise. I stayed faithful to you and waited all these years to see you. The man was surprised and replied, I saw you with another man last night. His wife replied, he is our son. I was pregnant when you left. He is 21 years old now. The man hugged his wife and said sorry to her. The man was really happy to be with his family. The three then sat down to eat the last two packets of bread given by the boss. When he opened it, it was filled with all his 21 years to earning and also the interest. This story teaches us the value of patience. Before you make any judgment or a decision, make sure that your mind is calm and that your decision is not forced by your emotions or sentiments.